Game day is right around the corner. This is a super nacho snack recipe with homemade queso, guacamole, and pico de gallo. Stay tuned. This queso, guacamole, and salsa nacho recipe is so easy and so good. It makes a great snack for game day, or let's face it, it's a great snack any time of day. I'm first making the salsa or pico de gallo for one of the toppings. I have 3 roughly diced medium ripe tomatoes, and I'm adding in 1 large seeded finely diced jalapeno, a 1/4 cup of finely diced red onions, about 1 to 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley or cilantro, 1/8 teaspoon each of kosher salt and black pepper, and this is the juice and zest of 1 lime, giving everything a good mix, covering and refrigerating for 1 to 2 hours. Next is the homemade guacamole. This is one area that you can save some time. Most grocery stores sell pre-made guacamole and it's a pretty good quality. Or you can make it at home like I did. I will leave a link to my homemade guacamole video recipe and the list of ingredients in the Show More section below. Simple ingredients of avocados, onions, tomatoes, and lime. Give everything a good mix, cover, and refrigerate for 1 to 2 hours. The salsa and guacamole both need to be refrigerated for 1 to 2 hours, so these can be made ahead of time. And now for my favorite part, the queso sauce. In my saucepan on medium heat, I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of flour. Cooking and stirring for 2 minutes or until the butter is melted and incorporated with the flour, and then cook another minute. You just want to cook out that raw flour taste. I'm slowly adding in 1½ cups of half and half. I'm whisking until the sauce thickens. Adding in a sprinkle of cayenne pepper for a little back heat and giving it a good stir. Now I'm turning off my heat. And now I'm adding the cheese, and I have 8 ounces of grated Mexican blend cheese. I'm just slowly stirring in until it's melted. If the queso becomes too thick, you can add in a little more half and half to thin it out. Now let's put these super queso guacamole nachos together. I'm using a thick restaurant-style tortilla chip. Drizzling the top with the queso, and you can put on as much as you like. They are your nachos. Some nice spoonfuls of the homemade guacamole. And topping with the homemade salsa. A little dollop of sour cream, and garnishing with some chopped green onions. Now that's a plate of good nachos. There's not much else to say. Enjoy! If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!